Hello viewers, in this session 3 that is on maintenance of drip irrigation system for the unit 3 that is operation and maintenance of micro irrigation system for the job role of micro irrigation technician, we are going to learn about how to maintain drip irrigation system. A drip irrigation system is vulnerable to overpressurization and clogging, both of which can drastically reduce the system's durability and performance. Therefore, a maintenance plan and regular monitoring of the system ensures that the minor problems do not turn into major ones. In preventive maintenance, a procedure or a group of procedures are adopted to prevent obstructions from clogging or blocking of drippers. In corrective maintenance, obstructions that cause dysfunction to the system are removed. Drip irrigation systems are generally designed to operate in the pressure range of 10 to 30 pounds per square inch. But domestic water, which is delivered to households, or a water supplied through pump-driven source, is at generally the pressure of above 30 psi. These high pressures can blow out point source emitters and have an erosive effect on drip lines and other components. Therefore, a pressure reducer or pressure regulator should be used if the water delivered to the drip system comes from a domestic or pump-driven source. Clogging. The most common physical causes of clogging of drip emitters are sand particles, which are usually found in surface water. Under certain conditions, silt-sized particles can form larger aggregates that may cause clogging. If the irrigation water is high in calcium and bicarbonate, chemical clogging by precipitates of calcium carbonate may occur. Additionally, if the water source is a pond or an open irrigation canal, algae or other organic material may clog filters and emitter. Chemical clogging can be prevented by adding an acid, for example vinegar, to the water while adding chlorine or bleach, which can help remediate biological clogging. Clogging of drip emitters by particulate matter can usually be prevented with proper filtration and lateral flushing. System flushing in micro irrigation system. Now let's try to understand what do we mean by system flushing. System flushing is the process of opening flush valve on the main line, sub-mains or laterals while under pressure. So flushing increases the water velocity inside the pipeline or the dripper line, which scores and removes contaminant off the valves or from individual emitters. The pressure of the regulating valve is increased to achieve enhanced velocities. Nevertheless, one must take care not to exceed the burst pressure of the emitter line and take off adapters. So the recommended flushing velocities are as follows. Let's see. Main line 1 meter per second, sub mains 1 meter per second and laterals 0.5 meter per second. Now let us learn about the different types of filters and their maintenance. Hydrocyclone filter. Water enters the hydrocyclone via a tangential inlet, which creates a spiral flow along the walls of the filter. The centrifugal force separates the waste and sand particles and pushes them towards the wall of the sand separator. Particles gravitate downwards into the sedimentation tank, while clean water moves upwards and exits through the top outlet. The filter becomes ineffective once the dirt collection chamber is full. A hydrocyclone filter requires least maintenance as regards to cleaning. For cleaning, flush the chamber by opening the flush valve or cap or open the main valve. Sand filter. Sand filter helps remove heavy organic and inorganic pollute. Over a period, contaminants present in the water accumulate and clog the pore space of the sand bed, thereby reducing filter efficiency. The sand filter must be cleaned regularly in the following manner. Open the lid of the sand filter, start the backflush operation, put one hand inside the sand filter and stir the sand thoroughly. Allow the water along with the dirt to flow through the main hole of the sand filter and close the lid for normal operation. Screen filter. Screen filter removes sand from water. Flushing at scheduled intervals is necessary for the maintenance of screen filters. It is recommended to flush the screen filter when the pressure drops more than 0.5 kg per centimeter square. The pressure difference can be observed by checking the inlet and outlet pressure by using a single three-way control valve at regular intervals. Screen filter. The process of cleaning the screen filter is very simple. Flushing of a screen filter is done in the following manner. Open the drain valve, thereby allowing the water force to flush out dirt through the valve. Open the screen filter lid, remove the screen and then clean it under running water, rubbing it with a cloth or a soft nylon brush. Protect the metal parts of the filter from scratches, acid, chlorine or fertilizer spillage, and apply oil paint immediately on the scratch to avoid corrosion. Disc filter. A disc filter serves as a primary or secondary filter for water which contains high amount of organic or inorganic matter. It consists of a stack of discs, each with a series of microscopic grooves. The dimension of the grooves determines the effective mesh size of the filter, which generally ranges from 40 to 600 mesh. Disc filter requires less maintenance. Flushing of the disc filter is done either by opening the drain valve or by back flushing. The steps followed for cleaning the disc filter are as follows. Remove the filter element and loosen the disc set by extending the spine element. Now remove the screen and clean it with pressurized clean water. Replace the worn out disc with clean ones. If the disc filter is to be cleaned with an acid or chlorine solution, use the recommended concentration and then assemble the filter after cleaning. In this session, you have learnt about the procedure of system flushing for the maintenance of a microirrigation system. You have also learned about the various types of filters and the procedure for cleaning them. So keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.